Alright, welcome back, guys. If you were here for the last video, we did an oil change in my Silverado. Now we are going to check out the damages on that Avenger. Make sure, one, I don't have to buy any more parts than I already have, because I do have a in the box down there. Got all kinds of parts for that thing. And then also make sure that I don't need to go buy more parts. So for those of you that don't know, the ball joint snapped on the Avenger and we ended up with a problem. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off the tire and assess the damages and make sure that we're good to go. In the process of all of that, the axle did come out, so hopefully, oh, this could be interesting. I'm gonna grab my jack. Keep it there for now so I can get enough tension to get these bolts loose. Maybe. Are you kidding me right now? Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'll leave that there. Just to be safe. so we don't have a whole lot of damage on the wheel. A little bit that there is, looks like it's just this little spot right here. Other than the tires being cupped because the joints were bad. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but they're cupped pretty bad. Alright, so what do we got here? So the axle came out, as you can see over there. Control arm is good. So we'll be replacing this one and this one, and hopefully we might have to do that axle. Shit. Okay. Oh boy. Here's the other half of that axle shaft. I gotta figure out how to get all this plastic off of here. Okay, so when we took the tire off, it lined everything back up. So I think in order to check it properly, I'm gonna have to take it all the way off, and I just don't have the time for that right now. I don't know yet. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Really want to take this axle off and see what kind of damage we're looking at here. But I don't know if I can. Even if I didn't want to, I have to. I think, ouch. Yeah, oh, there's chunks of metal and everything in there, so pretty sure something is chewed up. Unfortunately, this project is going to be put on hold until further notice, which sucks because I don't have any way to put it up in my driveway safely. Unless I wonder if there is a way that I could put it up on a car dolly and do it that way. That's kind of a pain in the ass. Alright, so let's see, you guys are aware. Axle came apart, 2 pieces. That boot is all kinds of trashed. We'll be replacing this one, this control arm, this control arm, which is where, right here is where the ball joint is broke. And then we'll also be replacing this tie rod end. And possibly now this whole axle. Because once it came out, all of that leaked out, so I'll probably need an axle seal. A few other things. So that's gonna suck. So I will yeah. I'm gonna have to talk to a couple of my buddies, see what they think. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to replace that axle as well as everything else that I already had planned on replacing. So that's a thing. So yeah. Well, that's unfortunate. But I appreciate you guys coming, hanging out. This one's a little bit of a shorter vehicle, unfortunately, because I don't have everything to work on it. But as soon as I figure out a little bit more, we will get back to it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah. It's not the way I wanted to end that video. See you later.